Stroke is a medical emergency. Stroke happens when there is a sudden reduced blood supply to any part of the brain. It generally happens in elderly, but that is not a hard and fast rule. It can happen in individuals who are much younger, at even 18 years, 20 years or 22 years of age, and thereupon it can happen in any individual. By and large, strokes are of two types. In one, there's a clot which gets formed in one of the blood vessels, and it stops the blood supply to the part of the brain that the blood vessel supplies. This we call in the medical terminology as an ischemic stroke. The other type of stroke is the one in which the blood vessel breaks off and the blood is leaked into a part of the brain. This is called as a hemorrhagic stroke. The treatment of both kind of strokes differ. However, clinically, if a patient has a sudden onset of development of any neurological deficit in the form of sudden weakness of any limbs, upper limb or the hand or the face, or deviation of angle of mouth, or there is a sudden loss of vision, or there is a sudden loss of consciousness as such, we have to keep stroke in mind. If you happen to see any patient in your neighborhood, or somebody sitting with you or working with you, or it happens to anyone, then you have to quickly take a medical consult. You have to reach a neurologist as early as possible, because we say a phrase that the time is brain. So the moment the blood supply to the brain stops, or there is a leakage in one of the blood vessels, the brain cells begin to die rapidly. It happens at a very fast speed. So and once they die, there is no way we can bring them back. However, if within first 4.5 hours, a large amount of brain around the clot or the ruptured blood vessel is salvageable. If a patient can reach a medical facility within 4.5 hours, then probably the stroke and its effects can all be reversed. However, if we happen to lose that 4.5 hours, then it will be difficult for us to revert the effect of the stroke, and thereafter we have to stick to the conservative line of treatment, or the conventional line, in which blood thinners are added as a secondary prevention, and we have to give physiotherapy and identify the risk factors and treat them accordingly. We at GNH are committed to treat stroke in the best possible way. There is a neurological facility which is available. We have the best MRI facility available, in which MRI can be done or a CT can be done depending upon what is planned for the patient, and we can differentiate between the types of stroke as quickly as possible and treat it accordingly.